Hello, friends. Welcome back to Home Sense with Nell, where I talk about home decor, DIYs, gardening, and other topics related to making your home your sanctuary on a budget. First of all, let me say I hope this video finds you guys all very healthy and in good spirits amid this pandemic. I know it's been going on forever, but I really do want to thank you for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. So today, my accomplice and I are going seed shopping. I've been hearing things online and on social media about seed shortages, and I want to see for myself if it's true. I know that I recently was at the grocery store and I was looking for a few specific items that I could not find. The first one was stewed tomatoes. Were you with me? Stewed tomatoes, which is such, a basic item, but I was just shocked to see that there were no stewed tomatoes on the shelf. There was also very limited supplies of rice. So when I see things like that, it does make me concerned for possible food shortages and seed shortages and things like that. So today we're at Lowe's and we're going to go check out and see what they have in stock as far as seeds. So come along with us. Check out Lowe's if you guys need any flowering plants for your front or backyards, because they have some good clearance deals right now. Wasn't expecting to see this here, but this is pretty cool. I think I'll pick up a few of these for the front yard. 75 cents, you can't beat that. And the baskets are half price, $7.99. Wow, that's pretty for $7.99. It's not bad.
Oh my God!
Just
Hey,
guys, so we made it out of Lowe's. And as you can see, it didn't look like there was any type of seed shortage there. I picked up some daisies because we really want to beautify our backyard. We have vegetables, but we would love to have some more flowers. I also got parsley because Cameragirl claims she can't find the parsley. Right?
Oh, me? Oh.
Yeah, you. And then we got lettuce. I'm excited about this lettuce mix because I would love to have, rather than buying the mix at the grocery store, we can just grow and cultivate and cut our own. So that's what we got. And then she got a lovely,
oh yeah, I'll show it.
She got that lovely kalanchoe that's going to go inside of her room because it's an indoor flowering plant. Okay guys, so now we're going to head over to Home Depot to see what they have in terms of seeds. Hopefully they have a great selection over there too.